In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autocomplete in Jupyter Notebook Cell. Autocomplete helps you write code faster, avoid typos, and discover available methods and attributes as you type. It works by suggesting completions for variables, functions, and library objects right inside your notebook so you can stay focused without jumping to documentation. First, open Jupyter in your browser and load the notebook you want to work in. Make sure the interface is active and the kernel is running so Jupyter can analyze your code context. At the top of the window, open the Settings menu. This is where most of your Jupyter interface and editor preferences live. From there, choose the Settings editor. This opens a panel that lists configuration categories on the left and specific options on the right. Think of it as the control center for how your notebooks behave. You don't need to write any configuration files by hand here. Changes are applied through simple checkboxes and toggles. In the left panel, select Code Completion. This section focuses on how suggestions appear while you type. You might see related options like showing documentation tooltips or triggering suggestions automatically, depending on your version. The names can vary slightly across releases, but the idea is the same. Now, find the option labeled Enable Autocompletion and check the box. That's the key setting that turns suggestions on. Most setups save this change immediately, so there's nothing else to confirm. If you're curious, you can glance at nearby options to fine-tune behavior later, but you don't need to adjust anything else for autocomplete to work. Once enabled, you should notice suggestions appearing as you type in a cell. Start typing the name of a library or variable and use the arrow keys to navigate the list. Press Tab or Enter to accept a suggestion, or press Escape to dismiss the menu. Typing a period after an object, like df, will typically show available methods and attributes, which is especially helpful when exploring unfamiliar libraries. That's it. Your Jupyter environment now offers smooth, context-aware autocompletion to speed up your workflow and reduce errors.